Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.